Welcome to another edition of the Honda Civic. Had a bit of a problem with a gearbox. 1, 3 and 5 wouldn't select. 2, 4, 6 reverse, no problem. So a little bit of Google search and I was coming up with gearbox problems, clutch, selector forks, but I thought it's definitely not that, because I can select the gears using the selector by hand at the gearbox, every gear select, so it couldn't be that. It had to be something at the gear stick, so I had to take the dash apart, find out for myself. So as you can see, was a problem with the linkage cables, which, if you can see here, this end's attached to your gear stick, so when you are selecting first, the cable wasn't sliding inside, so shoving down for your first, third and fifth, it just wouldn't have it. But if you selected it from the selector side, it was pulling, so that's how I knew it wasn't a problem with the gearbox. So that's what it was. A little bit of frayed metal. Now, see, that's what the problem was. So I've had to fit new cables. So that job's done. Oh, we've got another huge job. Unbelievable. I wish I'd never took the rear wheel arch liner off. If anybody's got a Honda Civic and they had a look behind the rear wheel arch liner, you'll know what I mean. Unbelievable.